Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this virtual course. My name is Santiago Arias. I'm a software and communications engineer and SAP Business One consultant. Today, we will cover the following topic: VirtualBox Installation. Let's get started. To start installing VirtualBox, we must go to the Oracle page and download the package according to the platform on which we will work. In my case, I will download 64-bit Windows installer. Following this, we will run the installer, in which we will maintain the default configuration by approving each of the following steps. Finally, we click on Install until we reach the end of the process. And that's it. We have finished installing VirtualBox on our computer. In future videos, I will explain how to create a virtual machine with Windows 10. Remember that I will be attentive to comments in case you need support with a specific topic. We've reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you for your attention. And remember, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. See you soon and have a great day.